Hello children, in our previous video we talked about the noun and in today's section we will talk about the pronoun. That will be based on your exercise G2J from your lesson 2. Firstly, you should know the definition of the pronoun. Pronoun are the words of speech that are used to replace the noun words in the sentence. Example, the book kept on the table are mine. Full stop, she can read them. Here, mine, she and them. That are the pronoun because they are used on the place of the noun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are those pronoun which replace noun. For example, I, we, he, she, they, me, us, him, her and them. Now you should know there are two types in personal pronoun, that is subjective and objective. In subjective we use I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and in objective we use me, us, you, him, her, it, in. Them. Firstly, you have to remember what comes into the subjective and what comes into the objective. Now look at your exercise G. They treated us warmly. Here, they and us. They both are pronoun, and they is used as subjective and us is objective. So put s on they and o on us. Now look at the second one. Where are the children? I saw them. Here I is the subject. I here is the subject. So put the s, and them here is the object. So put object o on the them. In third sentence, I am studying in the class. Here we have only I. That's why we put only s there. In fourth sentence, you can easily drop me. You is subject, me is object. Now look at the second part of your exercise, that is based on the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. You should know that when we replace noun as they are used instead of noun, that is possessive pronoun, and possessive adjective plays before a noun. Suppose here book is a noun and my is the pronoun. The change will be my into mine, your into yours, his into his, hers, her into hers, our into ours, their into theirs. You should remember them to solve the exercise of your lesson, that is H exercise. Firstly, look at the example. This is my picture. Here the answer will be this picture is mine. We changed my into mine. In first sentence, we will change that is my car. The answer will be that car is mine. In second sentence, this is his idea. This idea is his. There will be no change in his. The spelling will be same. In third sentence, these are my crayons. These crayons are mine. We use mine on the place of my. In fourth sentence, this is not our rabbit. This rabbit is not ours. We put s after the our. In fifth sentence, these are her dolls. These dolls are hers. Also put the s after her. Now come to the next part, that is based on reciprocal pronoun and distributive pronoun. There are mainly two words which we use to in the reciprocal pronoun, each other and one another. In distributive we use either and neither. Now look at the first sentence, which is based, choose the appropriate reciprocal and distributive pronoun. Here we have the option and we select the best. In first sentence, dash of the men received an award. The answer will be neither of the men. Rita and Sita have known dash many years. Not each one. Each one means pratek, and each other means ek dusre ko. The answer will be Rita and Sita have known each other. Dash of you can come along with me. It is not in the negative meaning. So we will put there either. Either of you can come along with me. The answer will be either. In fourth sentence, dash of my classmate come to meet me when I was not well. Each of the, pratek. प्रत्येक बच्चा मेरी कक्षा का मुझसे मिलने आया. The answer will be each. Now look at the J part of your exercise. Correct the following sentences and rewrite them. There are some problem in the sentences which we have to correct and write it. First sentence, I saw the boy what. We don't use but for what for the for a boy. We can use who. I saw the boy who was wearing. In second sentence, we have bought some fruit with ourselves. Nahi. There we will use us. The right option, the right answer will be us. We have brought some fruit with us. In third sentence, this is not mine pen. Mine is wrong word. There should be this is not my pen. Fourth sentence, I cannot find myself pen. Myself is also again wrong option. There should be my. Fifth sentence, we did the work themselves. If we have they on the place of we, then the themselves is the right option, but we have we, and with we use ourselves. In sixth sentence, with who are you, not who, there we will use whom. We put am after who. With whom are you going to see the movie? Rita, Seema and myself. Again here myself is the wrong option. We put there me. Rita, Seema and me are good friends. Remember one thing, that which exercise have no proper or sufficient space to write the answer, write them into your notebook. Suppose exercise F from second lesson and J from second lesson. These two exercises have no proper place to write the answer, so you all have to write these exercises in your notebook. F and J. Thank you. Have a nice day.